Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So those of you that are yet to subscribe, you should click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. Also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's start with our trend on AUD and GBP USD. Our overall trend in GBP USD is literally on a bearish move, but that means we are on a downtrend move. Now, if you take a look at what market is currently doing, this is our lower low. Right, market is literally trending to the downside. That this is our lower low. Here comes the lower high. And here is the lower low. Market has given us lower high. Here comes the lower low. Market has given us lower high. Here comes the lower low. Market has given us what? Lower high. Our next movement on GBP USD is a lower low. So basically, we should be expecting GBP USD to drop more. It takes out this previous high. So more sell is what you should be expecting on GBPUSD. So whatever you want to be doing, be looking for a sell. Even if markets correct push up, you will still expect it to drop again. So sell is our forecast on GBPUSD.